Hi, have you been considering selling your home? If so, you're probably weighing the pros and cons of working with a real estate agent versus going the for sale by owner route. While it may seem tempting to save on commission fees, the reality is that working with a professional is usually the best choice for most homeowners. One of the biggest advantages of working with an agent is access to the Multiple Listing Service, or MLS. The MLS is a database that allows real estate professionals to list and search for properties. If you don't list with an agent, chances are you won't be in the MLS, and that means you'd be missing out on a lot of potential buyers. It's reported that 89% of buyers purchase their home using an agent. If your property is not in the MLS, you'll be missing out on the majority of buyers who are using an agent to search for a home. This is evident in the fact that according to the National Association of Realtors, only 11% of for sale by owners were successful in selling their homes. So why is it that so many FSBOs end up unsuccessful? Well, for one, selling a home is a complex process that involves a lot of legal and financial details. Most homeowners simply don't have the expertise or experience to handle all of these details themselves. This can lead to mistakes, delays, and even legal problems down the line. Working with an agent can ensure that everything is done correctly and in a timely manner. In addition to avoiding potential legal problems, working with a real estate agent can help you get more money for your home. According to the National Association of Realtors, homes listed with agents sell for 26% more on average than for sale by owners. This is because agents know how to market a property effectively and negotiate with potential buyers. They also have access to a larger pool of potential buyers, which can result in a faster sale and higher selling price. But it's not just about the money. Selling your home can also be a lot of work, and for most homeowners, they have other priorities to worry about. Between work, family, and social obligations, it can be difficult to find the time and energy to deal with all the details of a home sale. That's where a real estate agent comes in. They can take care of everything from marketing your property to negotiating with potential buyers, leaving you free to focus on what matters to you most. That's where I can help. My name is Braden Milner, and I'm a Southwest Florida realtor backed by years of experience in our local market. If you've been thinking about selling your home, my expert online modern marketing strategies will find you the perfect buyer in minimal time and net you the most money possible. And with my white glove service, I'll handle every step of the transaction for you, providing you with a high quality, stress-free luxury home selling experience only achieved through working with me. My approach to selling homes is different from other agents. I believe in using the latest technology and online marketing strategies to reach a larger audience and sell homes faster. From professional photography and video tours to targeted social media ads and email marketing, I know how to get your home in front of the right buyers at the right time. I also offer a variety of services such as staging, cleaning, and moving to help make the home selling process a stress-free and easy experience. So, if you've been thinking about selling, I'd love to help you. I can be reached anytime by call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also visit my website at bradenmilner.com for more information about my services, a full property search of all available listings in our area, and informational content. Remember, selling your home is a big decision, and it's important to work with someone you trust. With my unwavering work ethic, expert online modern marketing strategies, and commitment to white glove service, I am confident that I can help you achieve your goals and make your home selling experience a success. Don't wait. Call, text, or email me today and let's get started.